Hi friends, here's the slow, beginner-friendly tutorial for this pouch. If you're experienced, just follow the chart. It's about 11 minutes, and we'll go nice and slow together. You only need basic stitches. Let's grab our supplies. Alright, let's start with a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your fingers, pinch the cross, and insert your hook into the ring. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Now chain 1 to start. This chain doesn't count. Hook into the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. First single crochet. If you're a beginner, place a stitch marker in your first stitch. Go back into the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Second single crochet. Keep going until you have 6 single crochets in the ring. Once you have 6 single crochets, pull the yarn tail to tighten the ring. To close the round, slip stitch into the first single crochet to join, then chain 1. Then chain 1 to begin the next round. Round 2, increase 2 single crochets in each stitch around. Increase in the first stitch, make 2 single crochets in the same stitch. If you're new, mark that first stitch, it really helps. Round 2, increased ESC in each stitch around 12. Round 3. First, make 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, make an increase. That's 1 set, 1 SC, plus 1 ink. Repeat that set 6 times. You'll have 18 stitches total. Round 4. Start with 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, make an increase. Then make 1 single crochet. That's 1 set, SC ink, SC, ink, SC. Repeat that set 6 times. You'll have 24 stitches total. Round 5. Make 3 single crochets. In the next stitch, make an increase. That's 1 set, SC3 ink. Repeat that set 6 times. You'll have 30 stitches total. Round 6. Make 2 single crochets. In the next stitch, make an increase. Then make 2 single crochets. That's 1 set, SC2, ink SC2. Repeat that set 6 times. You'll have 36 stitches total. Round 7. Make 5 single crochets. In the next stitch, make an increase. That's 1 set, SC5 ink. Repeat that set 6 times. You'll have 42 stitches total. Round 8. Make 3 single crochets. In the next stitch, make an increase. Then make 3 single crochets. That's 1 set, SC3 ink, SC3. You'll have 48 stitches total. Rounds 9 through 16. Single crochet in each stitch, no increases, no decreases. 48 stitches each round. Round 17. Start with 6 single crochets. Now we'll decrease over the next 2 stitches. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, leave it on the hook. Insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, Yarn over and pull through all loops to finish the decrease. Repeat SC6. Deck around 6 times. Rounds 18 and 19. Single crochet around no increases, no decreases. 42 stitches each round. Round 20 eyelets. Make 2 single crochets. Chain 1. Skip the next stitch. Then insert your hook into the next stitch. Make 2 single crochets, then chain 1. Repeat around, SC2, CH1, skip 1. Last round. Single crochet around 42 stitches. When you reach a CH1 hole, make 1 SC into the space. Finish the round. Once you finish the last stitch, pull up a long loop and cut the yarn. Thread the tail onto a needle. Run it through the first stitch, then bring it out through the middle of the last stitch. Hide the tail on the inside. Now let's crochet the leaf starting with chains. Chain 13. Once you've got 13 chains, go back and start in the second chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull up a loop, then pull through the loop on your hook. That's a slip stitch. Next, make 1 single crochet. Then make 1 half double crochet. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. That completes your half double crochet. Next, make 1 double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. That's your double crochet. Now yarn over twice, and work for treble crochets in a row. That's 1 treble crochet. Finish all 4 trebles. Then, make 1 double crochet. One half double crochet. And 1 single crochet. In the last stitch, make a slip stitch. Then chain 1. And in that same stitch, make another slip stitch. Now, in order, make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 double crochet. Then work for treble crochets. After that, make 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, and finish with 1 slip stitch. And that's the leaf done. Next, chain a cord for the drawstring. I'm chaining 60, but you can adjust the length. Pull up a long loop and cut the yarn, leaving a long tail. Thread the tail onto a yarn needle. Don't pull the loop all the way out. Go through any eyelet hole and pull the loop through. Then put your hook back through the loop. Then put your hook back through the loop. Find the top of the leaf and slip stitch to attach it. Pull the loop through and snug it up. Bring the tail to the back and weave it in neatly. I can't wait to see yours. Tag me if you make one.